So what are we gonna do right now?
Shoot Jordan.
With what kind of gun?
Die NT.
Okay, can you show me the gun? Ooh, it's dirty. It's a dirty bitch. It's ready and everything. What are we gonna do to Jordan right now?
Ask him.
What are we gonna do to you right now?
I'm gonna get fucked up.
Yeah, are you ready to watch Jordan get
Hell
fucked
yeah,
up?
let's do this, babe.
What about you?
Let's go.
I might get hit. I'm like that.
You ready to watch this?
Hell yeah.
You look like a fucking bum, by the way.
Three of them. No, I'm putting them in there so the roller doesn't go. Shh. Ah, okay.
We're gonna do it in here? Wait, you're wearing a pillow?
One ball.
Okay.
What's up?
No, okay. You're gonna use a pillow?
For my head.
Oh.
Fucking, if it dips up,
You can shoot it. Oh, Ramsey. You ready to watch this guy?
Here's your 30 cents already.
Use it wisely. Use it wisely. 30 cents for what?
I'm getting 3 shots.
Alright, let's go. Let's do this shit. Wait, I want to get close.
Kevin, you're good, right?
I kind of want to get close, but I don't want to get shot.
I can. I want to because
Kevin's got a shooting dip.
Yeah, I'm over there watching it.
Hold on.
Yeah, I want to see the impact. Calm down.
3 people can sit here.
Alright.
Dude, you're gonna get shot.
No, I'm not, dude.
Don't shoot me, asshole. What's up, shit?
Who's shooting them? What the hell? Why are you on the movies? Don't I'm gonna stand there.
Yeah, I wouldn't stand there either.
I'm gonna fucking run.
You're gonna get raped, probably. That's what's gonna be shot.
I promise it won't.
I am shot.
Shit, this is intense. Intensity. You got the angle, Danny? Angle.
Fuck.
Shit. Got 2 more, bitch. You got 2 more, motherfucker.
And you should just fire all over me.
Sorry.
He's not Give me my change back, bitch. I get 30 cents to do this. Shh. The change back. Yeah, take it off.
Take off your shirt. Take off your shirt. Oh my god. Holy shit. Wow. You got 2 more.
Alright, we're a third of the way. Here we go.
Danny, stay right here. Stay right here. Stay right there. Stay right there.
If you hit me in the same spot, I'm gonna kill
Hit him in the same spot.
Shot with a paintball.
Lift your shirt. Oh my god, that was bad. We got 1 more. Shh. One more. Sorry, go. In the sea. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Fuck. You fucking dropped it. Let's see this. Let's see it.
Take off your shirt.
Oh, bro. Oh my god.
Dude, holy shit.
Kevin, good shit, bro.
That's been crazy.
Dude, I could do more actually.
He said he wants more.
Bro, look at how dirty this looks. Hold on a second.
I got a close up
Oh,
too.
wait.
You are insane. What did you say?
It's just like the beginning picture looks sick as fuck.
Hey, you need to apply for Jack.
You gonna get him one more time? Yeah. Alright, hold up.
Hold on. Alright, go. Welcome to the new bubble.
Where'd you do it? Where'd you do it?
What do you mean yes?
Chuck, you like it there, Yeah, don't show you fucking fat.
It's dirty.
No, fuck that. I trust you now.
Dude, you went gay.
Alright, so what's gonna happen right now?
You about to get fucked with that?
What's gonna happen?
What happened?
What's gonna happen?
Hey,
Right now?
Jordan.
Jordan's about to get.
Is it gonna happen right now?
Hell yeah, they're doing all
Don't hit. I'm gonna sit right here. Don't hit my head.
You're gonna get.
Okay, fuck. Okay.
All crazy.
I'm gonna sit on the floor, guys.
What?
Okay.
What? Hey, break his wrist again.
Sit right here.
Dude,
Stand right there.
Get your ass fucking down there. Phone in the face, bro, right now.
You're gonna get fucked right now, dude.
Best thing fuck to do. Hey, why's your shirt
Alright.
orange?
Right there. Stand right there. Right there. That's good.
They put on your mask too to make it even better.
Yeah, right. Put your mask on. Go.
Hey, I'll throw in a dollar for you. 4 more.
Show the wound. Quit moving.
Stop fucking flicking. Don't look at me like